In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find and remove special characters in Google Sheets. To get started, let's first open the Find and Replace tool. This tool is extremely useful when you want to make quick, widespread changes across your data sets. You can access it by clicking on Edit in the top menu and then selecting Find and Replace. Alternatively, there's a quicker way if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. Just press Ctrl and H simultaneously. This shortcut provides instant access to the tool, speeding up your process considerably. With the Find and Replace window open, the next step is to specify what you're looking for. Google Sheets offers a handy feature that allows you to use square brackets to search for multiple characters at once. So you'll want to begin by opening a square bracket. Inside these brackets, type every special character you aim to remove. For this example, we're focusing on asterisks, dashes, hash signs, and commas. Once you've entered these characters, be sure to close the square bracket. This tells Google Sheets to search for any of these characters in your selected data range. Now, we move on to the Replace With field. If you want to simply remove the special characters from your data, you can leave this field blank. This will delete the unwanted characters wherever they appear. However, if you wish to replace them with a particular character, perhaps to make your data more consistent or easier to read, you can enter that specific character here. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Search. This is where you can choose the scope of your search. You have options to apply these changes to all sheets in your workbook, or just focus on a specific sheet or range. Selecting the right scope is key to ensuring you're editing only the parts of the data you intend to. It's crucial to pay attention to the checkboxes at the bottom of the window. You should check Match Case, which ensures the tool treats uppercase and lowercase characters as distinct from each other. Also check Search using regular expressions, which is essential for our square bracket search to function correctly. Once everything is set up, it's time for the final step. Simply click on Replace All. With that single action, you'll see all specified special characters removed or replaced according to your instructions. It's a remarkably efficient way to tidy up and standardize your data. And there you have it. By using the Find and Replace tool effectively, you can maintain cleaner datasets and save invaluable time in your work process. Whether you're working with a small budget spreadsheet or a large database, mastering these steps will enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy data cleaning.